In this video, I will show you how to create this table in Excel. First, select a cell and begin typing your title. In this case, I will use sample sales orders as my title. Select the cell below and start typing your column names. Press Tab or select the column to the right to begin typing the next column name. When you are done with the columns, select the cell below and begin entering your data. I will paste it from an existing data source. To format the title, select the cell where your title begins and drag it all the way until the last column on your spreadsheet. Now in the Home tab, select Merge and Center. To change the style, select Cell Styles from your Home tab and choose one that you like. I will choose this blue color. Select the cell where your first column is and drag it all the way to the end of the data set. Now select Format as Table from the Home tab. You will now be given an option to choose one of the pre-formatted tables. Select one that you like. A Create Table pop-up should appear. Select OK. You have now created your first table. To add a total column to this table, select a cell anywhere in the table, choose the Table Design tab, and select Total Row checkbox. A total row will now automatically appear. The Filter button checkbox is also checked by default. It allows you to filter the columns based on your data. To remove the filter button, uncheck the filter checkbox. If you would like to bold the title of your column, select the cell where your title is and select Bold or B from your Home menu. To resize columns, select between two letters and drag them to the right to make them bigger. To make them smaller, drag them to the left. To change the format of one of your columns, hover over the area above the column you'd like to change. A little arrow should appear. If you click on that arrow, it will select the entire column data. Then change the format in the Home tab using this drop-down menu. And that's it. You have now created your first table in Excel.